So this is how you should navigate to find your Spanish class in Canvas. First, go to my.ncedcloud.org. Put in your username, which is a number. Put in your password, which should be Neil2020. And then you're going to find Canvas, the red circle right there. To find your Spanish class, it might pop up in your dashboard as exploratory language. If you don't see a course here labeled exploratory language, you have to go to courses, all courses, and then you'll find a list of all your courses, and make sure you put a little star next to the one that says exploratory language, and then it'll pop up on your dashboard. When you click into the course, you'll see the home page looks like this. There's a couple things on this home page. The Zoom link for each class. If you are A section in PowerSchool, you'll see a little A in parentheses after your course. You have class on Monday and Thursday. And the link is right here. If you have a B in PowerSchool, you have class on Tuesday and Friday. And the Zoom link is right here. Now, I'm on maternity leave, so I will not be in Zoom until further notice. But when you need this link, it's right here. If you ever want to know what's going on each day, you can hit Daily Agenda. Make sure you hit the section that applies to you, because it's slightly different depending on when we have holidays. And you'll see the agenda. You read your agenda going down. So you have Monday. This is the old agenda still. Monday, and then you read down what we'll do in class, what your assignment is, and then any notes or announcements. If you have a quiz coming up, I'll put it here. Wednesday, you read it down. Thursday, what we do in class, assignment, notes. If you ever need the slides for the week, I post them right there. So that is your agenda. The course syllabus and technology agreement form are right here. All of your assignments are under modules right here. So when you click on modules, the newest material will be at the top. Right now I didn't have any material loaded for you to see yet. I'll show you what it looks like. Eventually, you'll have modules that look like this. And the newest material will always be at the top. So what I do is I have it labeled by module and then week number, and then I put the dates for you. So make sure you have a calendar so you know what day to date is. You can look in the lower right hand corner of your Chromebook, you can use your Google Calendar, but you need to know what the day is. When you open up the page for each week, like if I click module for week 4, you'll see the slides for the week that you're supposed to go through. You'll see your vocabulary list for the week that'll have words in Spanish and English. And then you have another link to the agenda. And again, it's divided by A section and B section. So on this page, module 4, week 4, whatever module page, you don't have the assignments, you just have the general things that you need to get through the week. To get back to the assignments, you hit modules. And then under each week, I put the assignments. So you see how this quiz is it goes in a little bit and it's under module 4, week 4. That means that this assignment goes with module 4, week 4. And you know it's an assignment because it has a little pencil icon next to it. For now, you're going to have Pear Decks while I'm out. So you have a Pear Deck, you're going to click, open. You have to choose your school Google account. And then Pear Deck's going to ask you how you're feeling for the day. You can hit skip, you can just hit the emoji that best hits your feelings. And then you go through the Pear Deck. The Pear Deck will have instructions on each slide. You see here in the lower right corner, you hit the next arrow. It says play through this gym kit. Anytime you see an arrow button, that means it's something that you can click on. So if you click on it, it'll open up a game. I go back to the Pear Deck and I keep clicking through it. If there's a video, you'll see a video. Anything with an arrow you can click on. Everything in the slide is clickable. All you have to do is read the directions in each slide. And then that is how you will get points for now. I can take attendance because I can see what time you opened the Pear Deck and how many slides you got through. And then I can assign you grades based on like whether or not you did the Kahoot. I have a Kahoot account that's a teacher account, so I can see your score in Kahoot. I can see your work on the worksheet. I can see in Edpuzzle whether or not you viewed the video. So everything will be through Pear Deck. And all you have to do is click through each slide, read the directions on each slide, and just do the activities. And then when you're done with the Pear Deck, you don't actually have to hit submit for Pear Deck or in Canvas. You just need to make sure you get all the way through to the end. Sometimes there will be a Google form at the end asking you what you did to verify what you did for your grade. And then that's it. You don't have to hit submit in Canvas or anything. If you ever want to check your grade, do not check Canvas, check PowerSchool. In PowerSchool, I have your grades divided by module and week. So it'll say M1 week 1, and that would be module 1 week 1 in Canvas so that you can easily find the assignments. And that's it. If you ever need to send me a message, or if I send you a message, go to your inbox and then you'll see it there. And that's it.